Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore service worker caching in PWA web apps, full guide step by step clearly. To restore service worker caching in progressive web apps, begin by checking your current service worker status. Open your browser's developer tools. Navigate to the Application tab. Locate the Service Workers section. Confirm that your service worker is activated and controlling your web app. If the service worker is not registered, create a new service worker file. Create a JavaScript file, commonly named serviceworker.js. In this file, set up a basic service worker structure. Use the self.addEventListener method to listen for the install event. During the install event, use the cache API to open a cache. Store your desired assets in the cache using cache.addAll method. Next, listen for the fetch event in the service worker. In the fetch event, implement a caching strategy. Use caches.match to determine if the request can be fulfilled from the cache. If the cached response exists, return it. If not, perform a fetch request to the network. After fetching, add the new response to the cache for future requests. Make sure to activate your service worker properly. Listen for the activate event to clean up old caches. Inside the activate event, call caches.keys to retrieve all cache keys. Use the cache.delete method to remove any outdated caches. Now, return to your main application file and register the service worker. Use the navigator.serviceworker.register method with the path to your service worker file. Check for successful registration in the promise response. During development, ensure that you refresh the page or do a hard reload to see updates. Test your app to confirm that caching is working as expected. Evaluate network requests using the Network panel in Developer Tools. Ensure that requests are being served from the cache when possible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.